Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 13.7 surface area and volume of class 9 math from NCERT test book. So let's begin with question number 1. In this question, it has been said that find the volume of the right circular cone. Okay, with the first part radius 6 cm, height is of 7 cm. Okay, so solution of first part is radius is given, radius r is given 6 cm and height h is 7 cm. Okay, then we need to find its volume. So we know volume is calculated by volume of cone, circular cone is calculated by 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, 1/3 pi r square h, as we know. So this is 1/3. The value of pi is 22/7 into radius r is 6 cm. So write 6 cm into 6 cm into height is 7 cm. Okay, so we can cancel 7 and 3 2 6. Now multiply 22 by 2 cm by 6 cm by 1 cm. Okay, so overall multiply, so we get 264 centimeter cube of volume. Okay, 264 centimeter cube. So volume of cone with radius r and height 7 is 264 centimeter cube. And its second part is radius r is given, which is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Height h is 12 centimeter. Then its volume calculated by 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, 1/3 pi r square h. So this is 1/3 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 3.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Okay, this is 12 centimeter is given. So 3 4 12. Okay, and this is 7 5 35. So 0.5. Now multiply 22 by 0.5 by 3.5 into 4. Okay, centimeter cube. So we get overall after multiplication 154. Okay, 154 centimeter cube. Okay, 154 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the required volume of circular cone whose radius 3.5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Okay, now move to the second question. Now move to the second question of same exercise. So in question number second, it have been said that find the capacity in liter of a conical vessels. Okay. Question number second, find the capacity. Find the capacity in liters in liters of a conical vessels. Of a conical vessels with the first part given with radius 7 centimeter. Okay, with radius 7 centimeter and slant height and slant height 25 centimeter. Okay, 25 centimeter. Second radius. Okay, in second, height and slant height is given. In second part, its height 12 centimeter and slant height 13 centimeter. Okay, 13 centimeter. So find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel. So let us see how to find out the capacity in liters of a conical vessels. First, radius r is given, which is 7 centimeter, and height, slant height means L is given 25 centimeter. So we know to find capacity means to find volume. Okay, so volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So here need small h, so it is not given. So by using the relation L square equal to r square plus h square, we have to find first h. So h square equal to L square minus r square. So here L is 25. So this is 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square means 625. This is 49. Okay, and 625 minus 49 equal to 576. Equal to 576, and h equal to under root 576, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, so here find the height of a conical vessels, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Then capacity, its capacity equal to 1/3 pi r square h, which is 1/3 pi 22/7. Radius 7 centimeter. So write 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, and height, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So this is 7 cancel out, and 3 8 is 24. Now multiply 22 by 7 into 8 centimeter cube. Okay, 22 into, this is 22 into 56 centimeter cube, and 22 into 56. Okay, is equal to okay 22 into 56. The product of 22 56 is 1232 centimeter cube. Okay, and as we know 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Okay, so in 1263 to convert in liter we need to multiply 1000. Okay, so this is 1.232 liters. 1.232 liters. This is the capacity of conical vessels. Okay. Now move to the second part. In second part we have 12 centimeter height, 12 centimeter, and small l is 13 centimeter. So we need radius. So it is calculated by L square equal to R square plus H square. So R square equal to L square minus H square. L is 13. So 13 square minus 12 square, which is 169 minus 144. Okay, 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So R equal to 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, and then its capacity equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 5 centimeter. So write 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter into height 12 centimeter. Okay, so 3 4s are 12, and now multiply 22 by 5 5s are 25 and 200 upon 7 centimeter cube. Okay, 22 into 100 upon 7. So this is 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube. And to convert in liter, so it would be 2200 upon 7 into 1000 liter. So 00 cancel out. So it is 22 upon 70 liter. Okay, 22 upon 70 liter. R, this is 11 upon 35 liter. So capacity of second conical vessel is 11 by 35 liters. Okay, so this is required solution of question number 1 and second of exercise 13.7.